In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JQL to search with dates in Jira. The process might seem a bit complex at first, but I'll walk you through it step by step, so by the end you'll be able to perform these searches with ease. First, let's begin by heading over to your Jira account. Simply open up your preferred browser and log into Jira. Once you're in, we need to add the JQL search capability through an app. To do that, look for the Apps option in your Jira interface and click on it. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a screen with different options. Here, navigate to Explore More Apps, which will take you to a section where you can find various tools to enhance your Jira experience. It's a great place to find helpful add-ons, and today we're focusing on finding the JQL extensions. In the search bar within the app exploration area, type in JQL to look for the JQL-related options. Once you hit search, you'll see a list of potential extensions and tools you can integrate. Look through these until you spot a JQL search extension that suits your needs. Click on it, which will take you to the installation page. Here, you'll want to add the extension to your Jira account. This integration is key to enabling advanced search capabilities. Once the app is successfully added, find and click on the JQL search extension. Next, you'll see an option for extended search. Selecting this will open up the search interface where we can start crafting our date-specific query. For our purposes, you'll notice a classic JQL input field where you can manually type in queries. In the query box, input something like this: created March 2025 11/16. This particular command is telling Jira to give you all the issues created on or after November 16th, 2025. Feel free to adjust the date to match the parameters you're interested in. After composing your query based on your project specifics and your data retrieval needs, go ahead and hit enter or click on the search icon. This action will prompt Jira to carry out the search based on the criteria you've outlined. Finally, you will be presented with a list of items and dates that comply with your search query. You can see the results displayed according to the date restraints you've set, enabling you to effortlessly manage and analyze issue timelines. This process, while requiring a few steps, significantly enhances your ability to sort and manage project issues effectively. I hope this guide helps you become more proficient with using JQL and Jira, enabling you to streamline your workflows even further.